Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Y'all, we're about to get into this exciting new video, and this video is sponsored by rpghair.com, and this is the unit that they sent me to review for you guys. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. This is their highlighted wavy lace frontal wig, and I got this wig in 20 inches. It is 180% density, and just look at these knots. Look at that lace straight out of the package. Now this is their HD lace, and girl, the melt that we're about to do on this wig is out of this world, okay? So it also comes with straps so that you could do this glueless if you wish to. I recommend using the inside strap because that wig will be snugged and fitted on the head. Now, if you don't know, now you know. Your girl is not a bald cap method type of girl. I'm hella lazy, so I'm trying to do the quickest method possible while also maintaining my edges, because I like my edges and I'm not going to do anything to jeopardize my edges, you feel me? So all we'll be doing right now is using some edge control or edge wax, and then we're going to put our little stocking cap on. Nothing special. You can get this at the beauty supply store, or you can get it on the website, add it to your cart, and it comes with your package. So I'm just putting on the wig, see where it's fitting and all that good stuff, trying to make sure that it's aligned with my natural hair lining. And as I said before, like, this wig out of the package looks amazing. Like, I didn't have to pluck it, I didn't have to bleach the knots. So this is from our girls that, you know, are not good at customizing units. This company and this hair is for you. So first things first, I gotta go in with my hot comb to make sure that it's flat, because you know your girl got a natural hump in the back, okay? And I'm trying to get that baby flat as possible. Usually I do this on my mani head, and I also recommend, for the best results with helping the wig lay flat, do it on a little mani head, or if you got a towel, you can put the wig on and just, you know, flatten that baby. Trust me, it's gonna save a lot of time and it's gonna make it look effortless, and you can avoid burning your forehead. Okay, I'm tired of seeing y'all burning your forehead trying to do this. Like, I don't even know why I did it on my head, but anyways. So now we already cut off around the ear to make sure that it's aligned well, and then we're gonna be using our 𝐒𝐵IN. Listen, as soon as I discovered the 𝐒𝐵IN lace spray, I haven't been back to God to be glued. Like, I haven't seen that girl in forever, okay? Like, she is a distant memory at this point, because 𝐒𝐵IN has me in a chokehold, you feel me? And she's light on the edges, she holds the hair in place, but she's not tugging and pulling, okay? So I appreciate that. So we spray the spray under the lace, not on top of the lace, because when you spray on top of the lace, then it gets all gunky and then your lace start looking all crazy and ish. So spray that under the lace. Now it's time to make sure that it's all melted. You know, I didn't even say that. Like, I put the blow dryer on just for a couple of seconds, that's it. And for this part, this is optional. This all depends on your hair lining. Now, most wigs comes with that widow's peak type of look, and your girl is a little pushed back in the very center, and the sides are a little bit close to my brow. Like, I got that hair lining, that special hair lining, so I don't need this widow's peak. So you want to be careful with cutting this part, and you don't want to overcut it or cut too close to the hairline, and then you mess up your lace and all of that. Like, look at it before you start cutting, you feel me? So now we're just going to customize the hair. I'm combing it out because I want to see what the natural wave of the hair looks like, because I don't want to do tight curls with this. I want it to be like a beach wave type of thing. So I'm spraying the 𝐒𝐵IN on the tip of my finger just to melt the parts of the lace that is lifted when I cut. And then I'm going to use this little elastic band that I got at the beauty supply store to do the tension method of melting the lace. So that's just using like that tight hole on the lace to melt into the skin. Now we're going to take some hair serum, put it on there. Now what you want to do, and be careful with blonde hair, is that because it's already processed, you don't want to put any type of oils or heavy creams on there, because it's gonna weigh down the hair and then it's gonna look greasy, and you don't want that. So I'd recommend a very light serum if need be, and honestly most of the time you don't need it, but if you do, like if the hair is trashy, in this case it isn't, I just needed the serum for the heat. But if it is that it's a trashy type of blonde, you want to use a light serum on there. and go ahead with your styling. So I'm using two tools for this. I'm using the hot comb just to get it a little bit flat before I go in with my wand iron to give it light waves. Now, I can't even tell you how well the hair holds. Well, it holds pretty well, but I didn't even hold the wand on it too long because I just wanted some light waves. I didn't want anything extra or nothing like that. So I'm just gonna go back in with making sure everything's aligned, because I swear my eyesight is a little bit lean or crooked because I never get my parts straight, like never. So I'm gonna go back in with the hot comb, and y'all be surprised. Okay, in this video, you know I like my swoops, and I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna give them no swoops today. I wanted this to show them what the hair lining looks like without doing that extra ish and the baby hair and all of that. Like, I just wanted y'all to see what it looks like on its own. So this is what the hair is looking like. She's giving Beyonce. Guys, it's Virgo season. You know your girl is a Virgo. So I'm channeling my inner Beyonce. Okay, Sasha Fierce is coming out. This is Chev B Fierce. You feel me? So I'm going to take my little comb, brush it out. As I said, we want it loose. Okay, we want it loose. We want it just flowing in the wind. Gone with the wind, fabulous. You feel me? So I'm going to fluff it out, brush it out, and I'm gonna leave it as is. So I wanted to try a different style with this hair, so I didn't want to just give y'all a plain Jane and stuff. So I just wanted first to show you what it looks like on its own, okay? And then I'm gonna do a little quick style for you guys to show you what you could also do with this wig, because it's just freaking fabulous. And it's, I don't know if it's giving Marilyn Monroe, I don't know what it's giving. It's just giving a lot of things, and she is just everything. Like, look at her, fierce. So I just use a little, what did I use? I used 2 pins, 2 of those hair clips thingamajigs in the back to hold it up, and that was basically it. Like, y'all, all the details for this wig will be in the description box down below. As I said, I got it in 20 inches. It's 180% density, and this is the HD 13x4, I think, or no, it's 13x6 lace frontal. And that is all that your girl got for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow me Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and TikTok at @damn-chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go and big up on yourself. Bye guys.